people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you how you can avoid a horrible mistake that you may be making, and I want to show you how you can actually fix it too, so that your credit score can go back up and it can go back up higher. Now, I want to get straight on into the video because I really want you guys to learn this one thing, and I want you guys to go to Credit Karma and see if you're making the same mistake. And if you're making this mistake, please go and fix it as soon as possible. If you're inside my exclusive membership, I always tell you guys, I want you guys to keep your utilization under 5%. Now, look at this here. Now, one of my clients, you can't see any of their personal information, but you can see what they're going through with their utilization. I was just teaching them this today, and I was thinking maybe other people need to know. So that's why I'm making this video. So definitely make sure you are paying attention so you can see exactly what's going on. And he is not going to take care of it. So we're not going to have this problem going forward. And his credit score should go up at least by what he lost. So I figure about 80 to 90 points, if not higher. Now, right now, their utilization is 65%. And you'll look at that and say, okay, just pay down your credit cards, right? So you could just say, oh, won't you just pay down your credit cards? Now, when you look down here at their credit cards, you'll see their self credit card right now is at 94%. Pay that down. That should be very simple. I believe they already paid that down, but pay this one down. It's only $434. Then $200. Then we have $466. All of these is actually over where I tell you guys to spend. I always tell you guys to keep your utilization at 5% or lower. This is at 94%, 82%, 78%. But that's not too bad because the client, they have other credit cards where they didn't use anything at all. These are all at 0%. So they will sometimes get balanced out, right? Now, let me show you what's the biggest problem here. If you look closely right here on this Capital One, the Capital One got a $9,000 limit, but $6,500 of that is being used. And that is what bringing the utilization up very, very high. It's at 73% for just this one card. But the worst part is that this is an authorized user credit card. So they got added as an authorized user onto someone's credit report so that they can get an increase in their credit score. But since this account is on their credit reports, it's actually dropping their credit score. So say if this is just your account, you don't have a problem with authorized user, you really need to pay down this credit card, because having a balance like that it will really drop your credit score, and it's really dropping his credit score. So my suggestion was to him, remove yourself as an authorized user from that credit card and your credit score should go up. Now, let me show you the proof that that is actually true. Now, don't forget, this is Credit Karma, you guys, and look at Credit Karma because Credit Karma is updating credit scores every day for TransUnion and Equifax. So look here at what Credit Karma is saying. Credit Karma says a good rule of thumb to keep your balance below 30% of your limit. I tell you guys keep it below 5%, but they're telling you at least do that 30%. And look right here. Let me zoom in some so you all can see. If you lower your balance to 6,444, your utilization rate will move up to the next level. But that's probably going to get them to the 30%. Now, if you look here, I tell you guys 5%. That's what I like to do with mine. I like to keep mine at 0 if I can, but I like to keep mine low. Learn more about ratings. So their credit utilization ratings, if it's more than 50%, it needs work. It's fair if it's between 30 to 49%. It's good if it's between 10% and 29%, and it's excellent if it's below 9%. Now, anything over 50% is just damaging your credit so much. It's like completely damaging your credit. If you are in the fair range where it's 30 to 49%, it's hurting your credit, but it's not hurting you too bad. It's not hurting you too bad. Not as if it was over 50%. Now, if it's between 10 to 29%, I'll say it's helping your credit some. They give you a few extra points because you're kind of keeping it low. But if it's in the excellent range, I really see a great increase in a credit score by just paying down credit cards. So I always tell my clients, keep it at that 5%. If you guys just focus on that 5%, you will see a great increase in your credit score. And that's just by lowering the utilization and paying down credit cards. Now, this client, they have all their own personal credit cards, they're paying them down. But I want to show you how adding an authorized user account to your credit reports, if they have a high balance like that and you only have these little credit cards, it's going to really hurt you, because he don't even have in his personal credit 6,444 in just his personal in general. Just even have a balance of 6,000. He don't even have that in limits for his personal credit. So do not get added to an account as an authorized user if they're maxing out their credit card. 73%, like they said too, anything over 50% is just poor. It's horrible. It's like having a 400 credit score just with just the utilization for that card. That's what it looks like. They don't have a 400 credit score, but I know, like I said, if the balance was to be paid down, that credit score would just shoot up very high. But the likeliness of this account being paid off is unlikely. So removing this account from the credit reports, I believe that credit score will shoot back up. And on top of that, they are paying down their other credit cards. Now, if you guys are looking to apply for other credit cards because you are in this situation and maybe you want to get help with your utilization, because if you were the person that actually got that $6,500 balance, like this is your actual account, you can pay that down, or you can possibly apply for more credit cards so that it can help with your utilization. Because if you was to get even $10,000 more in limits, you'll be at 23,000 with only 8,000 used. So let me show you a credit card I always tell people that they may want to go ahead and apply for. So that credit card is a Smile Generation credit card. I told multiple people about the Smile Generation, and I also told you guys about it. They are giving out higher limits. They're going to look at your Equifax credit reports, but they're giving out higher limits. And the limits I've seen is at least $7,500. I think I've seen probably somebody that got like 4,000 or something like that, but majority they're about $7,500 and up. So you can get this credit card, have it get added to your credit reports, because they'll automatically add it when as soon as you get approved. That's going to really help with that utilization, and helping with that utilization is really going to boost that credit score up. I'm telling you guys, paying down your credit cards and keeping them low is key. So you guys can definitely apply for this. Like I said, they're going to pull your Equifax credit reports. If you guys are getting credit cards through the shopping cart trick, you may be able to get approved for this credit card, not using a shopping cart trick, but it's with the same bank as a shopping cart trick. So they may go ahead and approve you. So go ahead and apply for that credit card if you have utilization issues. Another credit card I always tell people to apply for, and I've done this even myself. When I had my credit cards max out, I had these credit cards on my credit reports, and they helped boost my credit score up so that my utilization wasn't horrible. But you guys can also apply for this credit card. I seen, like with my limit, I had like three types. I had the Smile Generation, I had this one, and I had another one just like it. And it was about $34,000 with all three of them together, and they helped with my utilization, because at the time I was constantly maxing on my credit cards. I couldn't even really afford to even pay down the credit cards at the time. This is years ago. But I had these accounts on my credit reports, and it really helped boost my credit score. So I always suggest that people go ahead and get these accounts and get them added to their credit reports. They're going to pull Equifax to get you approved, but I really suggest that you guys try to get this. Now, I can't leave y'all hanging. It's one more that's in my head. I want to tell you guys about it, because you can get pre-approved for it. And I like any credit card, you can get a pre-approval with easier odds, right? Now, that is going to be their Care Credit. So Care Credit, they can actually pre-qualify you for a credit card with them. And yeah, this credit card is just like the other one. It's really for surgeries and things like that. That's why they give out high limits like that. But you really just want to get this credit card. If you have a high utilization, you really just want to get this credit card so that it can make it seem as if you're not using all of your credit limit, because you're not planning on really using this credit card. You're just going to use it so that they can report a high limit on your credit reports, which to help your credit score go up, because now it looks like you're using much less of what you have available. So like I said, you can pre-qualify for this credit card. You can just click right here on pre-qualify and go ahead and put the profession in. Just say you're going to get cosmetic surgery, dental surgery. Just, I would pick like cosmetic or maybe like a weight loss surgery. But I don't think that really matters. I think they just ask you that just so they can know your industry. But go ahead and apply for the credit card. Just click get started and see what they can actually pre-approve you for. Now, if you have negative credit accounts or your credit reports, anything negative that you may need to get removed, definitely contact us and we can definitely look into seeing what you could possibly do. You can join an exclusive membership. You'll get access to all the letters to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And if you're a member, we can even mail out the letters for you for free. So definitely join the exclusive membership. I have the dollar trial down below. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I really hope this video was helpful to someone. I really hope this video is actually going to help the person that just did not know this. And if this helped you, definitely let me know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.